Hello everyone, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is NEIA, that is National Export Insurance Account. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Government approves continuation of the National Export Insurance Account or NEIA scheme and infusion of rupees 1,650 crore grant in aid over 5 years. This amount will be for the financial year 2021-22 to 2025-26. Now let's understand what is the National Export Insurance Account or NEIA. It is a trust set. It was set up to promote project exports from India that are of strategic and national importance. Ministry concerned is Ministry of Commerce. NEIA was established in the year 2006. NEIA provides additional support to the insurance cover provided by Export Credit and Guarantee Corporation of India or ECGC for project exports, making Indian project exporters more competitive. To gain a stronger foothold in various jurisdictions, highlighting India's capabilities to execute large projects abroad. Looking at the objectives, it aims to ensure the availability of credit risk cover for projects and other high-value exports which are desirable from the point of view of national interest, but which ECGC is unable to underwrite due to capacity constraints or at terms which are different from its regular policies. Now let's discuss how does it help. The NEIA Trust promotes medium and long term, that is MLT, or project exports by extending partial or full support to covers issued by ECGC to MLT or project export. It also supports the Exim Bank for Buyer's Credit, that is BC, NEIA, tied to project exports from India. Now let's discuss about the significance of recent move of government. The capital infusion in NEIA Trust will help the Indian project exporters, that is IPE, to tap the huge potential of project exports in the focus market. Support to project exports with Indian content sourced from across the country will enhance the manufacturing in India. Corpus contribution of Rs 1,650 crore will enhance the underwriting capacity of the trust. It will enable NEIA to support project exports worth 33,000 crore rupees at full capacity utilization. And in turn, this support will translate into an estimated output of domestically manufactured goods to the tune of 25,000 crore rupees approximately. Now moving on to the performance highlights. The NEIA Trust was set up in 2006 to promote medium and long term, that is MLT, or project exports by enabling credit and political insurance. NEIA supports projects which are commercially viable and are strategically important. The corpus commitment of GOI is Rs 4,000 crore and maximum liability permissible is 20 times of the actual corpus. The contribution received from the Government of India over the years as of March 31, 2021 was Rs 3,091 crore. Since inception, NEIA has extended 213 covers with a consolidated project value of Rs 53,000 crores to 52 countries as of 31st August 2021. Its impact in enabling project exports has been most significant in Africa and South Asia. Now moving on to the question. Consider the following statements. 1. NEIA promotes exports by supporting medium and long term, that is MLT, or projects by ECGC. 2. NEIA Trust was established in 2006. 3. ECGC is a Government of India enterprise under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Choose the correct statement from the above. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or all of the above? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.